My name's Edmond Yakani, Executive Director of CEPO. I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate the leadership of the Parliament for proactively acting on our advocacy when I was in Unity and Weng administrative area after we have witnessed the negative implication of the oil pollution on our communities. We are aware that the leadership of the National Parliament and some MPs have raised a motion for summoning 3 ministers to answer questions around their actions in taking responsibility in mitigating the negative implication of the oil pollution on our communities where the oil was produced. We appreciate your leadership, Right Honorable Speaker, and the MPs in the Parliament. Please take a serious responsible role in demanding the executive to provide the concrete solutions on things that they are doing as a mitigation of the negative oil pollution on our communities, because the oil pollution have created environmental and climate challenge to our communities and directly have negative implication on the livelihood of our communities. But also I'd like to take this opportunity to urge the leadership of the Parliament and the MPs that during this debate don't remain silent on the question around the transparent use of the share of the oil of 5% to the communities and to the states, as we are aware that from the oil revenue, there are 5% contribution from the oil revenue that is directed towards state development where the oil was produced and also the development of the communities where the oil was produced. When I was in Upper Nile, Unity and Weng, we have seen some positive cases for the use of the oil revenue that are contributed for the interest of the state and the community, which is 5%. But massively, we have never seen a proper and transparent use of the 5% share of the oil in the states where the oil produced and where the community also the oil is being produced. So I'm demanding the Parliament demand for transparency and accountable use of the 5% contribution from the oil revenue for the best interest of the state development and communities development where oil was produced. How much is the 5% being used to respond to the oil pollution, and how much are the companies putting money to respond to the oil pollution, and how serious are the ministries tracking the commitment of the companies in responding to the oil pollution, as we are aware that we're supposed to have environmental quick impact assessment. And this environmental quick impact assessment, I've never seen it's positive, though I know there are process going towards it. Parliament, save our communities from the oil pollution. Parliament, demand transparent and accountable use of the 5% share of the oil revenue by the states where the oil was produced and the communities where the oil was produced. Thank you very much.